Okay, just got them loading up here. Now we've got them called Guac and Roll, which kind of is a play on rock and roll, but I'm unsure whether or not it's going to be the same style. I'm just pointing out here that we're creating some nice little images as well. I assume they're AI produced as well. Here we go then. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Green bowl in my bowl, smashing dreams I control. Avocados on my toast, this ain't no basic post. Pizza island scarred, lavish lifestyle ain't so hard. Cut 'em up, throw 'em down, got that creamy crown. Streets buzzing around the block, Guac unlocks the shark from the fields.
Pretty cool that. Ooh. Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through 10 alternative AI websites. Now, unless you've been living under a rock on a completely different planet, you'll probably know that AI is having a bit of a resurgence and is incredibly popular. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, you've probably heard of Copilot, Bard, which has now become Gemini, but this is a video on 10 different AI websites that might be useful to you. So, the first one we're going to look at is this one. This is called Ahrefs, and basically it writes YouTube descriptions for you. It's quite nice. You write in what your video is about. So I'm writing a video about how to make a cup of tea. A video on how to make a cup of English tea. Then we generate a description. So this is, I've already made the video and I'm getting the AI to write out the description for me. What's really cool is you can change the different style, which is quite good. So I want to be, let's just try bold, in your face. Let's see how different this is. Okay, so slightly different there. Got the hashtags as well, which is quite useful. You can copy and paste them straight into your YouTube description and sorted. Another nice feature here is you can make different variants. So if I wanted 5 different variants and I want it to be academic, let's see what it comes up with this time. So this is a video on how to make an English cup of tea with an academic writing style, and I want 5 different variants. And here we go. So pretty good, saves you a lot of time. If you make videos or if you ever need to create a description for something, it's a nice simple way of being able to do that. If you don't want the hashtags, take them out, and then you can either copy and paste, copy from down here, or export the results, and you've got them. Copy and paste them into your video description. Next AI powered website we've got is this one, summarize.tech. Now this is really good because it kind of does the opposite of the previous video we watched, and in this one you copy and paste a video into the field down here and it summarizes what's going on, which is really cool. So you can film anything, as long as it's online, as long as you've got a URL, YouTube for it, you can pop it in there and it will summarize it. Let's look at one of the videos I made. So this is setting up RGB lights on your Raspberry Pi. If you've done any coding with LED lights, you know it's quite complex. It's a 10 minute, 17-second video. And what I want to do is summarize it rather than watch it. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste this into here and I press submit. And it will convert this and summarize the text. A few minutes later. And here we go. So it also gives you the timelines here. So this is in the first 10 minutes, shows you what I did. And then it breaks it down into different time flags as well if you want. So in the first 5 minutes, this is what happens in this section. Pretty good. So if you imagine that you're in a university, you're studying, and you wanted to understand what was said in a talk or a lecture, you can copy and paste the lecture into it, and you've got a summary of what was said. Very cool. The next AI website is this one called beautiful.ai, and still on content creation here. So this is a useful site for creating presentations, slide decks, and you have to sign up to get the full access, but there's quite a nice sample model one at the beginning. You can create a prompt here and it will create a kind of model of what it will do. So how about something like make a slide, show who the best James Bond actor is, and it'll create a slide deck. Sean Connery, Daniel Craig, Pierce Brosnan. Whilst each actor has brought unique interpretations to the role, Sean Connery's classic portrayal is widely considered the best James Bond by fans and critics alike. Very good. So you can prompt, AI will change it into a PowerPoint. Obviously sign up for more slides and different features, but that's beautiful.ai. Really easy way to make slide decks. Next up we've got Suno, which is a content creation, but it's for music. And again, it uses an AI prompt to create the style of music that you want. You can then download it, you can then edit it. Obviously more features are available if you sign up. So let's get it to write a song. Let's have a dirty, deep bass line and funk guitars in a song about avocados. Let's see what it creates. Need to have an account, so let's sign in. Okay, so here we go. Create, signed in. And we've got funky avocado groove. We've got the verse. I think we can play it now. I might still be creating it. Right, here we go. Yeah. That's pretty cool. And I think this might be a different version, maybe? Then you can like it, make it available, share it with people. Unfortunately, you can't download it, but you can share it with people. So I should keep this for later on so that you can listen to it afterwards, because I know it's the best song. Let's change this though. Deep dirty bass with funk guitars. Let's have female singer and brass in a song about avocados. Let's try how that, see how that changes it. Here we go. So, get it to create it. Takes a few minutes. And here we go. Avolicious groove. Let's try this out. Yeah. This is a good website. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do a bass trap. A bass trap style song. Grime. Rapping. In a song about avocados. Do it. Okay, just got them loading up here. Now we've got them called Guac and Roll, which kind of is a play on rock and roll, but I'm unsure whether or not it's going to be the same style. I was pointing out here, they're creating some nice little images as well. I assume they're AI produced as well. Here we go then. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Green gold in my bowl, smashing dreams I control. Avocados on my toast, this ain't no basic post. Pizza I discard, lavish lifestyle ain't so hard. Cut them up, throw them down, got that creamy crown. Streets buzzing round the block, Guac looks the shark from the fields.
Pretty cool that. Ooh.
Green gold in my bowl, smashing dreams I control. Avocados on my toast, this ain't no basic post.
You get the idea. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, so that one's Suno. Probably one of the best ones. Try it out. It's pretty good. So while we're on workflow, this is a really good AI website. It's got loads of features. Basically, as it says at the top, PopAI, your personal AI workspace. It can do everything. You can get it to summarize documents, you can get it to create presentations, you can get it to create images. It's got templates already created for you, answers to code, create flowcharts. It's really, really useful. That's right. Now you have to sign up before you can use it, which obviously is okay, but you will need you need to sign up. You can choose which AI model you want to use. So obviously ChatGPT there, most common, but things like this, chat with a document, you can obviously upload a document and then ask questions about it. Depending on what the document is, you can pull out quotes, get it to summarize it, get it to look for arguments for and against what's in there. AI presentation, create presentations, flowcharts, images. It's got everything there. Flowcharts is a really good one. Mind maps there, but again, you've got to sign in order to be able to access this. Create AI images, absolutely fantastic. So it's basically like ChatGPT but on steroids, and probably really geared up for work, for using in an office or education. Probably help with your homework as well. Image translator, look at that. Snapshot, answer the homework. So take a screenshot of your homework or the question, and it will create the answers for you. Visualize data. Really, really, really good. So that one is PopAI. Next up, we've got Goblin Tools. You may have already seen the video on this, which I created. Links in the video below. This is also kind of a work productivity program, really useful. It was designed for neurodivergent individuals or those with ADHD. It's quite good at creating various different things. You can formalize text, you can judge emails for the content, it can give you a crash course in something. So let's put something like 3 body problem. Explain. The nice thing about this is the chili peppers. So this gives you how spicy you want it, it's called, but how much information you want. So how basic do you want it? Here we go. Producing the same content, more detail in there. We've got an estimator, put activities in there, it'll give you how long they think it's going to take to complete it. Chef helps you to helps you to create dinners based on food you've got. So if I've got eggs, beef, chips, beans, ice cream. This will create or suggest a recipe for what I could do. It's quite nice. Gives me all the breakdowns, tells me what I need to do. Pretty cool that. So yeah, if you're interested in that one, have a look on the link below, because it does give you a full, I've got a full video overview because there's quite a few different features, and I've got a full video that breaks down how to use the whole of Goblin Tools. Next up we've got Dezgo, which is image editing through AI. You can see from the overview of the images here, different types of images you can create, different styles. So we've got everything from absolutely realistic to stable light diffusion to Annie Laura, Basil mix, everything. And you can create all these from the prompt. So let's have something like describe how the final image should look. So let's go for professional and then doctor, glasses. Then we can choose the type of model and run. And there we go, we've got the image. Let's have, what should we add? Beard. Obviously the time to create the images depends on the internet connection. There we go. And then we can go to text to images, and this one we get the same thing, but obviously we get different types or styles of models. So let's go something like that. Let's try doctor here. And obviously this should give us something different because it's not the Excel one. So here we go, we've got the doctor, we can download it. You've also got more options here where you can set up sizes, you can remove information if you want to, prompts, etc. You've also can upload an image and get it to copy it, image to image. Again, drag an image in there and prompt what you want it to do and how to change it. Perhaps we'll try that. Let's see if I've got any images. I don't think I've got necessarily anything saved. Let's have a look. So select it, just so I happen to have an image here. And then how much you want to change it by. Let's make it into a lizard. See what that does. And here we go. Doesn't really look like a lizard, does it? But you get the idea. We could obviously change any of these. Select any of these models, it will then regenerate it. You can upscale an image, so drag and drop an image in, use AI to upscale it, get to paint, edit the image, remove backgrounds. Text to video isn't working yet, but really powerful free text to video editing software there and creation. So if you're looking to create images, you don't want to pay, you don't want to sign up for websites, this is quite a good way of doing it. Next up we have Pixel It, which fits in with our image editing review. On this one basically changes pixels in a picture. So it'd probably easier if I show you. We choose the image, again, see if I've got a random image here. And there we go, and then I can change the block size in real time. I can make it grayscale. Change the palette, make it smaller, larger, select the palette from here, add a color and so on, then download the image, which is quite cool. Really good way of pixelating an image using AI. I don't know why you would use it, but it's pretty cool. Check it out, have a play with it. So this AI image generator is called Leonardo.ai. Far more powerful than the previous one I showed you, but you do have to sign up for it. Some of the features it's got: AI video generator, transparent PNG, art generation. Again, if you launch the app, you've got to sign up, but the images are very high quality. Some really good stuff you can do with it. So if you are a image creator, or you need to create fairly high quality images or motion, this is a good one to use. Yeah, it's really good, but again, you've got to sign up for it. It's not free, but check it out. Next up we have Pix Verse, which is another image editing and also video to text to video creator using AI and text prompts. Again, you've got to sign up, but it's pretty cool, so I'll give you a quick overview. Image to a video, so you can put an image in, which I'll show you in a minute, or characters to video, or text to video. So let's try text to video prompt. Let's have something like funny lizard in a suit. Choose your size. What do you want? Anime. Let's do 3D cartoon. I want it for the phone, and we're going to create it. Obviously you have to wait for it to system's already full capacity. You've got to wait for it a couple of minutes for it to update. And here we go. So this is a funny lizard in a suit. And as you can see, it's created a video, 3D animation, quite weird. Let's do image to video. So we upload an image. Let's see if I've got any. Just happen to have one. Uploads the image. What failed? Let's try again. Maybe I can't do it with anybody famous. No, okay, let's try a different one then. Okay, so image is uploaded. What's the prompt? Let's add some snow. And we can change the motion of the camera. Just gonna go this really over the top to make it look obvious what's happening. Press create. Give it time to generate the video. And when it's completed, here we have the video. Can't really see much snow happening, but there is some bits changing at the top. And this little feature here is character to video. So to make a character, we need to add an image. So we're going to call this test. And we can upload an image. Let's see if we can use that one on the desktop I just so happen to have. Detected inappropriate content. Wouldn't let me upload Trump. Okay, let's try another one then. Okay, let's upload a different picture. There we go. And create character. Created the asset. Let's put dancing in, see what that does, and then create, and it will generate the video from that into hopefully a character. Okay, so here we have the character created from the image. Dancing, very weird. So that's Pix Verse. Image to video, text to video. Really quite cool. But you've got to sign up for it. Thank you for watching. Let's put the word subscribe here. See what it comes up with on the realistic one. Yeah, so let me know how you get on with them. Try them out yourself. What do you think? Which one's your favourite? I know which one my favourite one is. Probably the music one. If you want to check them out yourself, have a look in the description below. I've listed all the names and all the links. Let me know how you get on. If you find an interesting AI website, let me know and I'll include it in a future video.